In the last video, we learned about data types. Now we're going to teach the computer how to make decisions. This is where conditionals come in. We make decisions every day. If it is raining, we take an umbrella. If it is not raining, we might wear sunglasses instead. A conditional lets a program make this kind of choice. Code uses the same idea. If the condition is true, the program follows one path. Otherwise, it follows another path. The word if checks the condition. The word else handles what happens when the condition is false. A condition checks whether something is true or false. If is raining is false, the program chooses the sunglasses path. If is raining becomes true, the program chooses the umbrella path. So the Boolean value controls what the program does next. Conditions can also come from comparisons. For example, temperature greater than 30 asks a true or false question. If the temperature is 34, the answer is true. If the temperature is 25, the answer is false. Comparison operators help us ask questions. Greater than asks whether one value is larger. Less than asks whether one value is smaller. Double equals asks whether two values are the same. Not equals asks whether two values are different. Each comparison gives either true or false. Sometimes a program needs more than two parts. If the score is high, the player gets a gold badge. Else, if the score is medium, the player gets a silver badge. Otherwise, the player gets a try again message. This is what elif is for. Simulations are full of conditionals. A cell checks a rule. If the rule is true, the cell changes state. If the rule is false, the cell stays the same. A rule is just a decision written in code. A conditional is a statement that lets a program choose what to do based on whether a condition is true or false. Now, it's your turn. Choose one everyday decision, write it as an if-else statement, then test both parts. What happens when the condition is true? What happens when it is false?